Today I wanted to talk to you about setting a personally defined goal for what it is you're trying to do with your trading and investing. So as we know, trading and investing are two completely different things. Your trading is a job. Your trading produces income, and that money is no different than any other money that you would use to purchase investments. Whether you're a doctor or a factory worker or a mechanic or working construction or Uber, whatever it is, trading produces income, and it could be a full-time job or it could be a side gig, but it's a job that produces income, and that's used to purchase investments. Both strategies, as we know, are completely different things. Trading and investing are completely different. So as we look at what it is with our investment goals, what are we trying to do? The common answer is I want to be a millionaire. So we need to clearly define this for our purposes, each of us individually and personally. What is it to you that means to be a millionaire? Is it having $1 million in the bank? Is it having $1 million in assets? Or is it having $1 million in income? These are three completely separate and different things, and three different measures of how it gets there. The approach to achieve each one is going to be different. If you're looking to acquire $1 million in assets, it's going to be a lot different than acquiring $1 million in income. $1 million in assets is not going to produce $1 million in income. So if that's your goal, then you need to clearly define that for you personally and set that up in your investment strategy accordingly to achieve your own personal goals. However you define it, whatever your goal is for you, that's what you need to focus on and tailor your trading and investing and income and everything, your lifestyle around achieving your personal goal of what that means and what that is. So as we move forward, let's define for ourselves personally what it means to be a millionaire and how you want to accomplish that. It may be a billionaire. It may be $100 million is your goal, $10 million, $5 million. Whatever your goal is, we need to clearly define that and set our operations up accordingly so we're achieving our goal as we want it for ourselves.